Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I have a couple of announcements that I wanted to share with you. The first one is a little bit about a competition that I'm participating in, and the second announcement is the winner for the Uniquely Creative Gums and Roses collection that I showed in my last video. So first of all, the Stamperia announcement. I have somehow managed to get myself into a really amazing competition for Stamperia, and it's coming up. I'm going to have to make a huge amazing creation and do a live video with the Stamperia people, and then I'm going in this competition against all of these amazing artists all across the world, and I need your help if possible. I need a little bit of support with a couple of votes. So if you wouldn't mind staying tuned for any information about the Stamperia online competition and maybe just clicking a vote here for me, that would be really awesome. Thank you. I'll give you more details as I find out more about it. The second announcement is I wanted to announce the winner for the Uniquely Creative Gums and Roses collection. And I went through all of the comments, and there was so many comments. You obviously really like giveaway, or you really enjoyed that collection, and many people watched the video and many people left me a comment, so thank you. And I went through all of the comments. I picked a random winner, someone that had shared the video and was a subscriber to the YouTube channel and left a comment. And the lucky winner of the Uniquely Creative Gums and Roses collection is Kate Denton. So congratulations, Kate. Yay! Well done to you. Now, if you would like more giveaways on my YouTube channel, you might like to leave me a comment below and let me know, because I think that could be a very popular type of video on my channel. So I just wanted to say thank you for your ongoing support for my channel, and if there's ever anything you need a hand with, please feel free to contact me, and if there's anything I can do to help you with your scrapbooking or your card making, I am more than happy to post a video or whatever. So thank you to everybody who watches the videos, and thank you for your support, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.